Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excel Yoga by Krishna. So here today we are going to learn dependent drop down list. So for that I have already prepared a small database. Like if you see here India, Japan, UK. So country name is there, and below that, below each country name, there will be the city of all those countries. So how do we prepare the dependent drop down list? So for that, first of all we need to know how to prepare a named range. So if you go to this formula tab and click here, you also name range, there is a tab here. You can prepare a name range here manually by referring to the dataset, or what you can do, you can select the total column. The header will be on the top, so select that. There is an option called create from selection. So as the data is already selected, we need to click on this create from selection, and we need to check here top row, because that will be the name header of that selection. So I have selected, it is already selected. I need to click on OK, and if I'll go there and see India, the header is the name of this named range, and the range, if you can see here, the list below. So we need to do this for other two lists like Japan. I'm selecting here, going on this, clicking on this create from selection. It is already selected. You can select. If it is not selected, you need to select it, then click on OK. Then United Kingdom, create from selection, click on OK. In this named box, you will find all these three named ranges. Click on this drop down list, you will see the list. You will select India, list below India will be selected. You will select Japan, then the list for Japan will be selected. Same thing will be applied for United Kingdom. So as we have prepared the named ranges, now we can prepare drop down list. So here I will take all these three countries and create a drop down. So for that I need to go here on the data tab, click on the data tab. Then here in this drop down data tools, select this create data validation. In the first drop down list, you need to create a list. We are going to prepare a list, so for that we need to select the list from this drop down list, and in source I can take all the three names here. Or if you are not taking the references, you can write the names and by a separator called comma. So as I have selected here, I'll get all the country names here. See this, there is a drop down now: India, Japan, and United Kingdom. I'll put a label country and city. So what I need to do here, in this cell, I will go to the same data validation tab. Here in list, I'll write a function called indirect, open parenthesis, then this cell, then close, then click on OK. We are indirectly giving the reference of those list here. So as India is selected, suppose I will select Japan. So the cities related to Japan will appear here in this drop down. See Tokyo and all, Nagashima, everything is there.